Welcome back to Guitalele Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing how to play along Roobaroo from Rang De Basanti, a classic from A R Rahman. Okay, as I mentioned earlier also that this uses two very simple chords. Those are A major, okay, and the D major. Okay, but the strumming pattern is a bit difficult. So the strumming pattern goes like this. I am showing it very slowly. Okay, but the song uses in a high BPM. Okay, just for the sake of completion, just listen to the song actually. It's very fast actually. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I'm right now not going into the song. Okay, first I'll show how the strumming pattern goes for this song. So if anyone can want to pick it up, try to do it and give it a try if you can. Otherwise I'll be showing how to do it in a very simple strums with down strums only, or maybe as the time goes on you can pick up strums and later you can pick up the whole strumming pattern. Okay, so it took me quite long to pick up the strumming pattern and play along with the song, and I definitely cannot play properly with the RPM or the BPM, sorry, with the BPM of the song still now. But yeah, I'm trying to going better and better on this. Okay, so I mean it's something that practice will make you perfect on this. Okay, so the strumming pattern goes like this. Okay, so I have just played it using my ears. That's how the song goes. As you will also get experience with instruments. So this came from ukulele. So at some point of time I stopped worrying about the strumming patterns. Okay, so it's something that if you listen the song for quite some time, it is usually you will pick up something that suits that song. Okay, it may not be the exact one that the original record is playing, but yeah, it will be somewhat okay or doable, I mean acceptable, right? So so once more. Let me figure it out. Down 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 up down up down up down up down up down 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 up down up down up down up down up down 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 up down up down up down up down up down 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 up down up down up down up down up down 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 up down up down up down up down up down 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 up down up down up down up down up down. Okay, so the song goes something like this. Okay, so I mean listen to the song for quite some time and quite a few times. If you listen to the song you will understand the strumming pattern. Okay, so now how to play for beginners. I mean don't get worried or don't get afraid of trying things. I mean if it's difficult also try to do it. Okay, so I mean yeah, you may not be perfect and you will not be perfect. I was not perfect when I first started, and check my play along video of the Robaroo for the first time I tried. Okay, it was lot of mistakes. I missed lot of beats, I missed lot of bars of music, the sloppy strings, and things were like that. Okay, so I mean it's quite fine. We just learn things on way. It's not like that we know everything on day one, right? So it's the journey that you have to enjoy. It's not about going to the destination. Okay, so for many people the destination is near, for many people it's far. So I mean, don't get bothered about that. For every people the journey is different, right? So let's play the song now. So what I will be doing is that for simple, I'll try with the simple down strums. And one more thing, the song has some gaps in the silence in between. Okay, so after the silence it starts with A major once again. Okay, so the song pretty much goes like this: A major and D major, okay, and A major again and D major again. Okay, so something like this. And what you can do is that you can play two down strums interval, two down strum within interval. So okay, something like this you can definitely do. Okay, and if you want to be a little bit of experimental, so you can do like this. So you can we haven't done the up strums yet, but yeah, many of the viewers who know how to do an up strum or who want to do a little experiment, so they can try like this. Okay, something like this, just brushing the thinnest three strings or the non-wound strings. I mean, you can definitely give it a try. Okay, so let's play with the song once, and then I'll with the simple down strums and maybe the two down strum version and down strum up strum version and the full rhythm pattern that the song uses. I'll try to do that. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so here the song goes. Simple down strum. Okay, down strum on all beats now. Okay, now down up, down up. Now going full, okay? Okay, I mean that's how the song goes. Okay, so try with the full strums if you can. If you not, try with the down up version. Okay, if you can't do that as well, try with the 4 down strums and 4-beat down strum version. Okay, if you can't even do that, try with the simple first beat down strum version. Okay, so simple, keep it simple. If you can do the whole thing, that's the best thing. Okay, but give it a try and let me know in the comments how it went for you. Okay, if you like this video, definitely hit the like button. Okay, and if you are learning something new every day with these lessons, why not subscribe? Thank you.